Reading practice. English reading practice. Story number 1. A bicycle. I own a red bicycle. It was a gift from my father. I ride it every day. I ride around the neighborhood. I explore new streets. The wind blows through my hair. I feel free and happy. Sometimes my friends join me. We race each other. I love my bicycle. Story number 2. There is a library in my city. It is a big, quiet place. It has many books. I love to read. I go there often. I borrow books of different kinds. I read adventure stories, science books, and more. The librarian is helpful. She suggests good books to read. I like the library. Story number 3. My grandmother. My grandmother lives in the countryside. She is kind and wise. She bakes the best cookies. I love visiting her. We spend time in her garden. She tells me wonderful stories. They are about her life and the past. I learn a lot from her. She has a warm smile. I love my grandmother. Story number 4. A football. I have a black and white football. My friends and I play with it. We meet in the park. We form teams and play matches. I love scoring goals. After playing, we are tired but happy. My football brings us a lot of fun. I like playing football. Story number 5. My mother. My mother is a doctor. She is caring and hardworking. She helps sick people. She works at the local hospital. She cooks delicious meals. She also helps me with my studies. She reads me bedtime stories. Her hugs are the warmest. I love my mother. Story number 6. My best friend. My best friend's name is Sam. He is fun and kind. We go to plays. We go to school together. We go to school together. We also play and do homework together. We share secrets. We celebrate our birthdays together. Sometimes we argue, but we also forgive each other. Story number 6. My best friends. My best friend's name is Sam. He is fun and kind. We go to school together. We also play and do homework together. We share secrets. We celebrate our birthdays together. Sometimes we argue, but we always forgive each other. Sam is a true friend. I like being his friend. Story number 7. My guitar. I own a guitar. It is brown and shiny. I practice every day. I can play a few songs. The sound is beautiful. I feel happy when I play. Sometimes my friends listen. They clap and cheer for me. Playing the guitar is fun. Playing the guitar is fun. I love my guitar. Story number 8. My bedroom. Story number 8. My bedroom. My bedroom is my space. It is a cozy and comfortable. There are posters and walls. My bedroom soft and warm. My desk is full of books and papers. It is quiet and peaceful. I can think and dream here. After a long day, it is my rest. I love my bedroom. 7. My bedroom. My bedroom is my space. It is a cozy and comfortable. There are posters on my walls. Story number 7. My bedroom. My bedroom is my space. It is cozy and comfortable. There are posters on my walls. My bed is soft and warm. My desk is full of books and papers. It is quiet and peaceful. I can think and dream here. After a long day, it is my retreat. I love my bedroom. Story number 8. My father. My father is a wonderful man. He is wise and strong. He gives me good advice. He tells me interesting stories. He works hard every day. He comes home tired but happy. He teaches me to be patient. He shows me how to fix things. I am proud to be his son. I am proud to be his son. I love my father. Story number 9. Shoes. On my birthday, I received my new shoes. My father bought them for me. They are red and white. The colors are bright and beautiful. They are made of leather. The leather is smooth and shiny. They are very comfortable. They fit my feet perfectly. I wore them to school today. My friends like them. I felt happy. Story number 10. A park. There is a park near my house. A park is a big and beautiful. I often go there. I play saucer there with my friends. The grass is always green. Story number 10. A park. There is a park near my house. The park is big and beautiful. I often go there. I play saucer there with my friends. The grass is always green. The sky above is blue and white. We run, laugh, and have fun. On sunny days, we have picnic. We eat sandwiches and drink lemonade. I love going to the park. Okay viewers, thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the best way to read English reading practice for beginners.